at the mall and she dances on the dark side of the disco ball. She drives a silver Mercedes, made in the 80s. Swears and stares.
What's cooking, Mom?
Hey, Ryan. Ryan. I smeared it for you. Thanks.
Is everything okay?
Oh, yeah. Just gonna go see if Seth's up.
I am up, and I'm out of here.
What? Where are you going? Didn't know you were planning a trip.
Neither does Summer, but Rizdi sent my dorm info, so I figured I'd check out my new home and give her some moral support for finals. Are you gonna eat that?
Are you sure that's such a good idea?
Why, did Ryan do something to it?
No, not to bagel the trip. I thought you were gonna give Summer some more space.
Well, a little space turned into a lot of missing meat. That's my cab. Email me a Christmas list. I'm gonna be shopping at the Providence Place Mall. They have carpeting, which is weird. They have a Dave & Buster's, but parking sucks.
Hey, listen, dude, I really need to talk to you. It's very important.
Okay, I don't want to hear all about it. When I land in Providence, just call me.